Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Zango and today I'm gonna show you guys how to add an SSL certificate for InfinityFree. I got this information from basically the InfinityFree documents themselves with the admin over here. So let's get to it. Alright, so all I need you to do is go into your InfinityFree login, go into home, and then free SSL certificate. It's that simple. All I need you to do is add a new certificate. I already added one, but you're just gonna copy the domain name that you added before. So let's take one this for example. If we're gonna just create a new SSL certificate for that, that's gonna be like that, and then check the domain, and then you're gonna use the provider. Check whichever provider you would like, but bear in mind that these two are for free and they are valid by actual companies that like give you the verification, and the proof for that is that they are trusted by browsers. All right, so there are two providers, and this is the third provider. It says here that it's best for Cloudflare. Yes, it is best for Cloudflare, but the thing is here that it's not trusted by browsers, so it's not going to be showing over here that it is HTTPS. All right, it needs to be self-signed. So honestly, I'm not going to use that for now because that's not the purpose of this tutorial to add Cloudflare or self-signed certificate. We're just gonna add a really simple SSL certificate by a provider. All right, so we're just gonna use 0SSL for this one, and we just added basically the SSL certificate. But we need to do two more things. All right, we need to add the record name. All right, into our CNAME records in our domain name. So how to access that? It's very actually simple. All I need you to do is go into your admin panel, and how you access that is you're gonna go back to home, then press manage over here on the right and whatever website you want to go to, and then control panel. All right, let me close up this. All right, and then you're gonna go into SSL TLS, configure SSL. I already added the private key and the CSR, but for you, you're not gonna be doing that still. You're basically just gonna generate that, and we're gonna upload the certificate basically over here, right? So all we need to do is just sign the certificate right now in our CNAME records, and we're gonna get that from here. All right. After adding the SSL certificate, do not close the tab. Just get the record name, and you could go back to it. But for now, let's just get the add the record name, and let me put that beside each other so you guys could understand what I'm doing. All right. Just give me one more second. I'm sorry, I opened up a lot of tabs. All right. So we just got the record name over here, and the destination is gonna be this. Just copy and paste that, and then add. Alright, so we just added the CNAME record. Let's refresh that. It's still not ready. Let me tell you why. Because, like, right now, all you need to do is basically just wait for the certificate to be issued. Because, like I said again, we're using a provider. And right now, we just added all the information for our SSL certificate, but we haven't still added the certificate itself. All right, so let's go into the free SSL certificates. Let's just check out if there is something that has been issued before. So I issued that before. I issued that even with a self-signed. All right, and that is on another development server I did before. But right now, you could see that in the SSL certificates, it's at draft. So if you go back to the page of SSL configure, I'm sorry, yeah, to this one, you could see, please note that the DNS changes can take a few hours to take effect. So bear in mind that it's just going to take a few hours for the CNAME record to show up over here. But for now, you don't have to do anything else except if you get the certificate. Let me show you an old website, right? how does it look? All right, so if you go back to home, let me just retrieve that. All right, I already have that. Just go into control panel and go into SSL TLS. If we configure the SSL, as you can see here, we have the private key and the certificate. Why? Because it's basically issued. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. We're basically just gonna wait for the certificate itself to be issued. All right. All right. So this is all I wanted to tell you guys for this video. Comment and like and subscribe, and also I will edit this video to show off the certificate that we made for Ango EDU development website, just to make sure that all the steps are correct that I gave to you guys. All right, for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Comment and like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, and I just wanted to tell you something, guys. I'm actually gonna make a different course on Bootstrap 5. I understand that my WordPress course is supposed to be PHP, WordPress theme development, and some Bootstrap 5. But for now, I don't want to just get into Bootstrap 5. I want to get it from the start. So I'm going to do another course for Bootstrap 5. It's also going to be free and available on my channel if you want to check it out. But for now, this is going to be the 20th video in this series, and we're going to continue in WordPress theme development as well with more videos. However, I just want to train on more ideas for you guys to give you the better content and better explanation of the things that's in front of me. All right. So, all right. Again, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Comment and like, subscribe. This was Ango EDU. Peace.